Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this mini carrot. And I say mini because it's really very small, the size of my fingers. Remember, you can change this size, only change the yarn. In my case, I use Sinfonia brand yarn. It's about 3 millimeters and is 100% cotton yarn. If you want to buy this yarn with us, you can visit our website GretaWings.com and you can find it there and more yarn. For make this carrot, we will need just a few materials. Let's see. We will need only 3 colors. One orange color yarn, green color yarn, and some brown color yarn. In the description of this video, I will share with you exactly the color with the code on the Sinfonia brand yarn. For this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. I made a single crochet in a form of X. If you made a single crochet in a form of V, exactly with this yarn, is better if you use 2.0 millimeters hook. If you want to more about that, the single crochet in X or V, in the description of this video I will share some tutorial with you. Also, we will need scissors, wool needle, staffed. I don't show you here, but we will need staffed, and also this accessory because I will be using this carrot as a keychain. If you want to buy some accessory like this one, I will share with you the link to Amazon. I bought it on Amazon. I'm not promoting this product, I am only sharing what I use. If you go to the link and there is not stock at least, you will be able to see the name and characteristic. There are other colors and you will be able to find them. This is all the materials that we will need. If you want to do it, let's start. We will start using orange color yarn, and on round 1 we will start with a magic rain and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can close the magic rain, put some mark, and in round 2 we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 increase. One single crochet, the next point the second one, and in the next point 1 increase. And we will repeat the same one more time. 1 single crochet, 2 and 1 increase. And we already finished this round with 8 points, and you need to make this. On round 3 we will make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round with 8 points. On round 4 we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and now 1 increase. And we will repeat the same one more time to 3 single crochet and 1 increase, and we will finish with 10 points. On round 5 we will start with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now 1 increase. We will repeat the same one more time, 4 single crochet and 1 increase, and we will finish this round with 12 points. On round 6 we will make 12 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 7 we will start with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 increase, and we will repeat the same one more time, and we will finish this round with 14 points. On round 8 we will start with 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now 1 increase, and we will repeat the same one more time, and we will finish this round with 16 points. From round 9 to 13 we will make 16 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same until round 13. On round 14 we will make 8 decrease, 1 increase, 2, and we will continue doing increase until finish this round with 8 points. When you finish the round 14, you can cut this yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes later. And also we will put some stuff. You can put in enough stuff to make the form. I'm already finished. And using a wool needle and brown color yarn or cinnamon color yarn, we will make a detail on this carrot. Pay close attention and you can see how I do it. This is very easy and nothing exactly. And also you can see how I close this carrot. Then we already finished this piece. And now we will make 2 equal sleeves. I'm already made one because they are very easy. And we will make the second one together. We will use some green colored yarn. I really love this green colored yarn, but you can use the green that you prefer. Then we will start on round 1 with a magic rain and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain. And on round 2, we will repeat 3 times 1 single crochet and 1 increase. One single crochet, and in the next point 1 increase. And we will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 9 points. On rounds 3 and 4, we will make 9 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on round 4. On round 5, we will start with 1 single crochet, and now 1 decrease. We will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 2 times more, and we will finish this round with 6 points. On rounds 6 and 7, we will make 6 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and on the same on round 7. When you finish the round 7, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for make the union with the carrot. And now you can see how I made this union. Everything is very easy. Also, we will make the union with the accessory for keychain. Then let's see. Then we have finished this mini carrot and also the keychain that I will be using. I really love this pattern. I hope you like it, and if it's like that, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you have any questions, I answer you as soon as possible. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next amigurumi. Bye bye.